Hello YouTube, my name is Dylan. I'm making this video today because the other day I was having an issue with my 2011 Dodge Ram 1500 and I had a problem of it starting, or the key fob not working at all. I went to go grab some lunch and I was ready to go leave. I hopped in my truck. I first tried unlocking my doors, it wasn't unlocked, the key fob wasn't working at all. And I tried putting the key in the ignition to start it, it also wouldn't start. And then the funny thing is, the key fob, those electronical key fobs that comes on the Dodges, it got stuck in the ignition and wouldn't come out. So we tried starting it and turning it off, starting it, nothing wouldn't happen. And we had to actually force it out of the ignition, just yank it right out. And so I thought maybe the battery was dead on the key fob, so I had to walk to Target and get a battery for the key fob. Eventually that didn't work. I put the battery in and everything. So what I next did was I disconnected the battery. I disconnected the whole battery for about 5 to 10 minutes. And then when the 5-10 minutes passed, I reconnect the battery and everything, and then it should work. So if you have any issues of everything, the wheel being locked, it won't go in neutral, the shifter is locked, the key gets stuck in, it won't move, or even if the key fob itself won't even go in the ignition, that's your issue. So give that a shot and leave a comment down below if it works for you. Thank you.